Hey guys, so welcome back. Now I'm at Chapora Fort. It's nearby to Vagator Beach, and this place is really nice. Like I did like the other fort as well, but that was like so crowded, and I'm not a very keen person to go into crowd. So yeah, this one is really secluded and it's quite nice. It's not that crowded because it's very far from the Baga Beach and other touristy places. So yeah, I'll just show you around and it's also known as the Dil Chahta Hai Fort because everybody knows that Dil Chahta Hai was shot here and that famous shot where all the three actors are sitting and looking beside the sea. So yeah, I really like this place and I'm just gonna sit here for a while and contemplate life. Bye. Hey guys, so welcome to day 2 and today we are at this place called Burger Factory and it has got some great reviews and the rating was 4.9 on Zomato, which is very rare to see, so we are really keen on trying. So yeah, it's got an interesting menu and just waiting for our order to come, and the ambience is quite nice. Like they've got really pretty interior. I'll show you guys around after I have my burger because I'm super hungry. Yeah, that's it. Like this is like one of the best places we have in Goa, and it was so yummy. Like I'm not a very burger person. I like pizzas far better than burger, but I have to say this was like the most yummiest burger of my life, and it was so huge and so yummy, and it was very filling. I had to get it packed because it was so difficult for me to eat the whole of it. And I also tried their shakes. Their banana and peanut shake was good, and their extra virgin with cookies was also yummy. So yeah, in case you're in Goa or you plan to come in Goa, I would highly recommend you trying this place out. It was amazing. 5 out of 5 stars.
Mejor no quite la suerte. Si alguien viste amarillo, cruzando dedos, sábenlo.
We are at Saturday Night Bazaar right now, which is so cool because they've got a lot of stalls. There are a lot of things that you can find, like teas and decorative items, bags, a lot of clothes, shorts, blouses, whatever you name it, and you can find it under one roof, like under the moon, not a roof. And there are a lot of stalls over here, which are like multi-cuisine stalls. There's Mexican, then there's English breakfast kind of a stall, and Indian, and a lot of other stalls as well, and a lot of things to eat and drink. And the best part is music going on. I don't know how much you can listen, but the ambience and the place is amazing. So yeah, in case you're in Goa on a Saturday eve, I would highly suggest coming to this place instead of going to the regular clubbing and all that sort of a jazz. This is very different. This is more like a Desi Mela in a very with a very Videshi touch.
दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे है तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम, हंसी का मैंने जीना।
Guys, so welcome back. I am really sorry I'm not able to keep up with this vlog. Like I don't know when I'm starting my vlog and I'm ending it because it's so difficult to vlog in Goa. Like you've got so much to do, so much to explore, and every time and every day you're driving bikes and you're going here. And today I'm in South Goa. So yeah, we came by taxi. It was a 2 hours drive and we're finally in South Goa. Okay, let me just, and it's quite the opposite of North Goa. So if you're someone who really likes to, you know, roam around in crowds and party and chill kind of a person, you would love North Goa and you would hate South Goa. But I kind of like more calm places. Although I really liked North Goa. Yesterday was very fun at the Saturday night bazaar. We danced so much and we had such a great time. The ambience and the crowd was amazing. They've got a mosquito bite over here and here, I don't know what. So yeah, it was a really nice time. But I really like sometimes, you know, taking some time out and chilling and not doing anything, but that's not happening today for sure. So we're staying at this place. This is like a bamboo resort. It's got a very nice feel and it's like right middle of a jungle, and I'll show you guys around how the houses are. I'm actually living on a tree house, like it's made up of bamboos, which is so cool because I've never really lived in a house like this. Okay, the light is literally, oh yeah, it was overexposed. So yes, I am literally loving it. So I cannot show you my room right now because, can you see, it's in a mess. It's a huge mess. And yeah, so now we're just going out to have something to eat and then we'll probably go and hit the beach. I'll catch you guys, bye. And also I've got this pimple right in the middle of my forehead. I don't know, it's been here since I was traveling and it will stay with me probably till the end of my trip because, you know, pimple love. And yeah, okay, I am very overexposed. And also I'm wearing my Sarojini Nagar glasses, which I love. Hi guys, so we're on a boat right now and we're going to this island called the Butterfly Island, the Butterfly Beach. So we're going to this beach called the Butterfly Beach and Monkey Island. actually kayaking. You can see. I don't know if you can see. This is my kayak. What do you call it? Kayak? Yeah. So this is my kayak. Now I'm not at all I'm not at all trained at this. I just know a little bit of swimming, but it's quite safe even if you're trying it for the first time. They've given you life jackets and it's pretty much simple. You just have to roar the क्या बोलते हैं इसको इसको क्या बोलते हैं चप्पू को क्या so they've given you bat and you just have to make a very swift motion in the sea, and I'm actually in the middle of the sea and I've got my friend here.
Hi guys.
So he is inside. So I've seen him before from a lot of other videos and he was actually in South Goa and we just met up for 2 days. So yeah, we are just, this is so fun.
I just want to say one thing, like you might be thinking that I have made her to do kayak. It's the opposite way around, like she made
Yeah, I really wanted to do it because I'm a total water baby. I love water. Bye. So that's my bat and that's the sea around. There's literally nobody over here. Oh my god. पकड़ा हुआ है. And you can see, oh god, let's just start. Guys, so good morning, and can you see how tanned I am? I know. So today we are going for trekking and we'll be going to this place called Netraveli Wildlife Sanctuary, and yeah, so okay, there's not much. We have to leave early because the sanctuary closes by 3:30 and it's a 1.5 hour trek, but first we'll go and have something to eat because I'm hungry, and then we'll probably go to the Netraveli Wildlife Sanctuary. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So now we are at Netraveli Wildlife Sanctuary and we've come to this falls known as Savari Falls. The most interesting part over here is that you get to see a lot of fishes in the pond, in this pond kind of a thing, and they actually bite your nails. Like they actually come and they start sucking your these fingers and toenails and everything, and it is so irritating. Like it literally feels like very ticklish and creepy at the same time, but it's quite fun. So yeah, and it's very I mean I cannot express how it feels, but it's okay because the guy there is saying that it's not that harmful. They're just you go for those fish pedicures and stuff like that. These are those fishes. They actually just remove all the dead skin from your feet. Hey guys, so welcome back, and we just came back from the Netraveli Wildlife Sanctuary, and now we're just gonna go like I just changed into my beach clothes and now I'm just gonna hit the beach because today is the last day and I'm actually going back. Like I leave around 10:30. Hey guys, so welcome back, and now today was the last day in Goa and we're finally leaving, and I don't know, I'm so excited to go back, but at the same time I'm really sad because I love this place and the people here are so sweet and so helpful, and yeah, it was a very nice experience. It was very relaxing, and such trips really help you to introspect where you're going in life, and you can actually take a few days off and think about random things that were happening in your that are happening in your life, and you can actually find a lot of solutions, and you kind of get the strength back to come back to a normal routine and fight back and do a lot of great stuff. So yeah, I'm kind of excited about that because I had a lot of time to think about things, and a lot of things got cleared meanwhile. And so I really hope you like this vlog, and thank you so much for all your love, care.